Hi, my name is Mark O'Shea. I'm the Senior Business Development Manager at Nordson EFD. Here at Nordson, we're a pioneer in the fluid dispensing application manufacturing space. We've been in the space over 60 years now. Our focus is on precision dispensing, miniature dispensing, and consistent and repeatable dispensing in the medical, consumer electronics, automotive, aerospace industries. So we focus on is a full, deep portfolio, starting from the plastic consumable components that hold the fluids, to the dispensing valve that dispense the fluids, up through multi-axis automation that allows us to control those applications from a manual dispensing application to a semi-automated to a fully integrated dispensing application. A good example of that global presence that EFD has and how we support our customers through that transition is frequently you'll see the R&D being done perhaps on the East Coast or in the central US for some of these medical devices. Then you see pilot lines within the region, pilot lines then being done, for instance, in, say, Ireland, and then possibly transitioning to contract manufacturers in Latin America, Asia, other parts of the world. Our global presence allows us to stay with that process and through with that project and products through the life cycle of the product, from early R&D through a several-year process to ramp to production. Here at MD&M West, for this show, we're really highlighting our capabilities on the dispense size, but we're hearing from a lot of our medical customers is the miniaturization trend, the need for communication, data collection, data connectivity. So what we're highlighting here are a lot of our jetting valves, allowing for precise, small dispensing, for example, needle bonding applications, as well as highlighting our PICO Nexus system, which allows for communication through different protocols, allowing our customers to real-time monitor and make dispense control decisions based on that real-time feedback that our systems are providing. So here's an example of an application highlighting one of our gantry robot systems, as well as our PICO Nexus controllers. So you see customers using this for inline projects. Here we're highlighting a needle bonding application, a multi-valve setup, dispensing glue to bond a sharp needle into a plastic hub. So this allows for very high throughput, very good information communication, and can interact with our end users, HMIs, and has different protocols to allow for that. With the miniaturization trend, what we are finding is that it's becoming increasingly important for our OEMs, our contract manufacturers, our machine integrators, to all be in communication throughout this process. So what EFD sets us apart is we work at very much that spec-in R&D phase to make sure that the solution being provided for the fluid dispensing is going to be scalable long-term for our customers. The worst thing that can happen is develop an R&D solution that you spend years getting approval for, and then when you try to go to mass production, you're finding problems that you didn't see at the beginning. What we find is early in the R&D process, hard to spot problems, easy to fix problems. Once you get through the approval process, easy to spot problems, hard to fix problems. So that's where Nordson tries to be the global partner through the product lifecycle with our customers.